Yeah! If you're somewhat blind and you haven't seen the title or the main player in the team, I got insanely lucky out of an 85 plus pick and I packed Thierry Henry. Let me just check the price, see if it's holding up.
Rich millionaire!
And I thought, just why not use the team? Why not just show him off a bit? I use him throughout champs, decent little plur, but I just want to show him off to you. Let's shot, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Henry with a ball to Radulovic, cuts back again. Ah! Henry on the Trivella, bang in. Could he go for a double? Could he go for a double?
He's cooking.
What? Slot it? Yes! He swings it in, I'm done. Yep. Shaky!
No.
Oh, that's such an idiot. And the double, and he's off. Ah! Shit. I'll just go. Lag.
Ice in the fucking vein!
What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me?
Ice in the fucking vein!
See? Yeah. Just take it on stuff. Oosh. This is just gonna be Radulovic's video if I don't score with. Oh we. And a bit. Right, I've got an 84/3 from the season pass. I probably should have just saved it for team of season, but I just want to pack another icon.
Boring!
That was using Thierry Henry. Thanks for watching and have a good one. In a bit.